Hi guys, this is Patrick for ScreenStudio. Tonight I wanted to show you what I'm currently working on in ScreenStudio, and that is ScreenStudio 3.0. I haven't changed the version. I'm thinking about that. Let's go in there and let's change the next version. But it's not ready. It's really just an early prototype to make things work. 3.0.0. So that will be the next version of ScreenStudio. So let's have a look at it. There's a lot to do. There's a lot missing in that version of ScreenStudio, but I'm redesigning the whole application, working with currently what I have in ScreenStudio, and also a few bits and parts from Webcam Studio. So let's have a look. This is the new ScreenStudio, and as you can see, it's not finished. There's a lot missing here, but that's where you'll be able to set up your output and the format and the target and stuff like that. The major difference is here. You can change the output format to whatever you like. Eventually, more stuff will show up. But if you look here in the sources, that's where the difference is. What ScreenStudio did is actually detect my screen, detect my webcam, and a few images if I want to use them. And currently my output is 720 by 480. The video can lag a little bit because this computer is a little bit slow, but it should work. So I want the screen to be resized to 720 by 480, which is the exact output format. Actually, it would be stretched in this case, but anyway, that's another story. And I have the webcam, and currently I want that to be shown at 320 by 240 with a transparency of 1, meaning that it's not transparent at all. So let's say I want the screen to show here. I want the webcam to show here, and I want to move it down. So let's put it 720, then should be 420, like that, maybe. Oh, that's too much. Okay, let's move it back a little bit. 400. There we go. And I want also the logo to show up, but a little bit smaller, so let's put that 100 by 100. What I want to do eventually is to be able to drag and drop the components here, but this is just a prototype. So you would see actually in the output the logo here, the webcam here, and eventually you have images. We would have labels, meaning text, that could show up, and eventually other stuff. So this is how it look like from a layout overview. Let's try it now. It should be a little bit slow, and probably it will even lag on this machine. So let's start the preview, and as you can see, the logo is here, the desktop is here, and the webcam is showing up. I don't know why on this computer the webcam is always like a few seconds behind. And currently I have artifacts showing up, but that's something I'm currently working on, so it shouldn't be a problem when I release the official version. But that would be how it works. Currently the layout is static. Probably I'm thinking of making that dynamic, but for now I just don't want to go too far. I could also say, no, yeah, I want the desktop to show only part of the display, because at the left side I want to have a banner, at the top I want to have another banner, whatever, let's say like that, and then your screen would be here, the webcam would be here, and let's say the webcam I want to have a transparency on that 0.5, whoops, 0.5, like that. Let's try that again. Oops, there we go. The icon, the desktop, and the webcam will show up. There we go. in a transparent mode. So as you can see, the video mixer is working almost pretty well. I still have a few things to work out, but essentially that's what's coming in ScreenStudio 3.0. There's a lot of modifications in the code. Don't try to find it on GitHub. It's not currently committed to the server, so just making sure that this new version will work as the other ones. But essentially what I want to do is when you click File, as you can see the menu is not even there. When you click File, you'll open a layout and everything will be populated with all the outputs and settings, so you can have one setup for Twitch, another one for YouTube, another one for recording local videos. You could have eventually all your screens listed here and say I want to have screen 1 here and screen 2 here, and flexibility. So I'm going back to the roots of Webcam Studio, but inside ScreenStudio, and more to come in the next few weeks. Expect maybe the first release to be available around the end of summer, because there's a lot of stuff to do, but the worst part has been created, the video mixer, as you can see here, and eventually, as I said, drag and drops should work out of the box. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Leave your comments below, and see you next time. Bye. Where is it? It's not stopping. I don't know. ScreenStudio doesn't want to stop. Something's wrong. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's go back. It's here. Let's stop recording. I don't know what happened. Like, it wouldn't stop. Look.